Okay, now we are done with the testing static inner class. Now, in order to call testing non-static inner class, we need to create an object. So, how to create an object? So, we'll use the main class testing class dot testing non-static inner class, that is non-static inner equals to new testing dot new testing non-static inner class. So this is how we create an object for the inner classes. Okay, so testing class dot testing non-static object equals to new testing class parent class dot new inner class. Okay, now using this object we can access the method inside testing non-static. What are the methods and variables? First is the variable non-static and even printing non-static. Now let's try to access it. Non-static inner dot. Now I can access printing non-static method. Okay, in order to print, I would do this. Okay, don't know what exactly is printing. Okay, right click, run as Java application. Now when we open it, here we see testing class dot testing static inner class dot printing static method. What is it printing? I am in testing static inner class in printing static method, and in here non-static inner class I am in printing static method. So this is how we call the static and non-static classes. Okay. So in order to call this particular method printing non-static from the static, we use the same thing, create an object. Because this is non-static, we create an object for this class, and then create an object like testing class dot testing static inner class testing is equal to new of this, as we did the same for this, and then use the object to call the non-static method. Okay, so this is the static keyword. So the basic lines are, and a top level class can never be static. It can only be public, abstract and final are permitted for the top level class. And inner level classes can be static and non-static. Okay. And next, if the inner class is static, you can have static methods and non-static methods and via the same static variables and non-static variables. But if you have an inner class which is not static, you can have only non-static methods and variables. If you have any static methods or variables, the inner class has to be defined as static. That is the key principle that you need to remember. Okay, so these are the basic concepts of the static keyword. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Please look into my other basic core Java concepts. This was the main question that I had to answer in one of my technical interviews. I was asked, can a class be static, or can an inner class be static, or if there are any inner classes such as static, can you have static methods or variables or non-static methods or variables inside a static class? So I hope this example that we have developed in Eclipse IDE clears all those questions. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you.